Hey everyone, welcome back to PTC. So today we are going to see some design patterns in JavaScript, and we are going to look at some of the patterns called model pattern and revealing model patterns. Both are desired in such a way that we keep our private variables more secure, our privileged methods to expose those private variables and as a function. So I will show you how we are going to do that. So let's create a simple example. So first of all, we are going to start by creating a model pattern, and we are going to call it variable sum model test equal to a function. We are going to add some private variables in here. Let's say var private variable equal to, let's say, 10. And let's add some method in here. So this is a private method. So let's say var private method equal to some function, and this function returns us it will return us some private value. So let's say return private value, and we are going to create a complete return statement which will have some public variables in here. So let's say public variable equal to 7. Let's add some public methods. So let's say public method equal to function, and let's say return from public method. Okay, that's that. And let's go ahead and add another one. And let's say we want to actually execute these 4 functions that we created. So let's say executive data, and this is going to return it's going to return private method, obviously that we've created here, plus our public method. And we are going to call our private variable, and we are going to make this function self-executing. The reason is, like, we want to self-execute and want to see how it turns the global scope. So this is a very simple example of just a model pattern. We created a private variable, we created a private method, and we have return statements to access to this. And this particular keyword, this, is what gives the global scope, It kind of goes over the particular set of methods that we created and gets access to this method. So it's very simple model pattern we have created, and this is another one. Let's add some kind of console to see what we get. Data from the model pattern, we are gonna say sum model test model test dot executive data. Okay. Now take this over to JS Fiddle, pretty much run it up and see how it works. Put it in here, open the console. Since it is in console, return private variable.